Everybody on the Vance team, incredibly professional. I never felt pressured at all. I've bought so many cars from these folks. They want to make sure that I come back the next time too.
So we shopped around Stillwater. It was kind of hectic. The customer service was very pushy. So we decided to come up towards Guthrie. By far one of the easiest dealerships we've been to.
I was trying to sell my Jeep. I saw the Vance Jeep sign on I-35 and I said, oh my gosh, I don't know why I didn't think of this first. They purchased my Jeep for $1,000 more than I was offered anywhere else.
It was actually very, very simplified. The first day that we came in, we didn't even actually buy a car that day. I had kind of shared what I was looking for in a car. We had driven several cars. I loved that. There was no pressure. Within like 24 or 48 hours, said, I think I have the perfect vehicle for you. We drove it, and then we came back for a second vehicle. I didn't feel like there was a ton of pressure here. You know, I did not ever feel like I have got to sign paperwork today or I cannot leave or I'm being held hostage. We're going to talk about it, and we were listened to, and there was not a lot of pressure. So that was fantastic.
Told her what I was looking for, and she had 3 or 4 lined out. Test drove a couple different ones, and we made an order and got another one ordered for me. I was wanting like the heated steering wheel and like the cell phone charger, but you had to go up in a package to get just those little options. It wasn't hard, it was just kind of one of those deals without having to step up and plan, just like, okay, I wanted this feature, but other than that, ordering was really easy. Come down here, it's no pressure, no hassle. You can walk the lot, and salesman comes up, you can say, hey, I'm looking. And they'll leave you alone, let you come check it out, wander around and not have 20 people breathing down my neck.
John has his commercials that say it's comfortable to buy a car here, but it really is.